Welcome students to another video. In this video we will discuss about future tense. Future tense have four types, that is simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. In this we will discuss first about simple future tense. Now simple future tense, in this first we have to see the syntax, that is subject will shall plus verb first form plus object. With IV we have to use shall, and remaining all subject like he, she, it, a name, they, you, with all we have to use will. For example, we shall move to another city, we shall not move to another city, shall we move to another city, how shall we move to another city. This is the example of shall. Apart from that, this is the affirmative and here it is negative. Interrogative first, interrogative second. Now we will see the example of will. So here it is written, he will come to India, he will not come to India, will he come to India, when will he come to India. This is the affirmative sentence, this is the negative, and here it is interrogative first, interrogative second. In interrogative second, the helping of which we have used here, that we have to write first for making of question. In an interrogative second we have to use WH question to make the sentence. Now the next one is future continuous tense. Syntax subject will shall plus be plus verb plus ing. With IV we have to use shall be, and remaining he, she, it, and name, they, we have to use will be. For making of negative sentence we have to use not. So I shall be cooking in kitchen, we shall be watching TV, they will be playing in the ground, she will be jumping on the floor, Rahul will not be going to school. These are the examples of future continuous tense. Now the next one is future perfect tense. Main is syntax, that is subject plus will shall plus have plus verb third form plus object. With IV we have to use shall have, and remaining he, she, it, and name, you, we have to use will have. Now the example is first is I shall have completed the assignment. This is the example of shall have. Now we shall have gone to market. This is also example of shall have. Now the next one is will have, using of will have. They will have finished journey, Sohan will have submitted project. Sohan is the subject, will have is the helping verb, submitted, this is the third form of submit, and project is the object. Now the last example is you will not have worked in the garden. This is the negative in future perfect tense. You is the subject, will have is the helping verb, not is used for negative sentence, work is the verb third form, garden is the object. So these are the examples of future perfect tense. Now the last one, future perfect continuous tense. Main is syntax. Syntax is very important in this. Subject will shall plus have been plus verb plus ing plus object since or for plus time. Now with the I or we have to use shall have been, he, she, it, and name, you, they, we have to use will have been. Here since is used for non-fixed time and for is used for fixed time. Now the example is he will have been watching TV since morning, he will not have been watching TV since morning, will he have been watching TV since morning, when will he have been watching TV since morning. Now another example is I shall have been going to Goa since afternoon, we shall not have been working for 4 o'clock, they will not have been counting numbers since evening. So these are the about future perfect continuous tense. So these are the basic explanation of future tense. Thank you.